quiet. What? $1,000? That shit is clean. It's an HF2, man. And that baby seat up in the front. Hey. What happens to get hit? It's a sleeping bag. Because that way feel. Speed Zaddy. DNA, baby. Ancestry.com. Woo. So if you guys don't know, we're taking out the S300 and we're going to be running Chrome. And with that being said, the max solenoid comes out and I got myself a manual boost controller. It's a replica of Block's, but I heard really good things about it. It was 20 bucks and hopefully we can make some jam with it today. You got the Eliminate boys. What's going on, you guys? So I didn't properly end the video because the camera died, and you know, we were at the shop pretty late buttoning everything up, and then we had to drive like an hour and 30 back home, so we were more focused on that. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to Jeremy and Nisa for making all of this possible, because they were actually out here for her birthday, which they were spending in Disneyland. But despite the delay in their flight, 12 hours from Hawaii to SoCal, they still made the trip up here to Salinas to you know, tune Justin's car, and the fact that they were able to squeeze me and Carrie into the dyno day as well too. The fact that you did that blows my mind, and me and Carrie cannot thank you enough, and we've told you this plenty of times before. Much love to Jeremy from Red Zone, because he made it happen. Carrie's super happy. I'm happy that the car made what it did, despite the boost creep issue because of the poor manifold design. At the end of the day, I get to keep my S300, which was the whole reason to retune the car, as well as, you know, tuning the new turbo. But the car put down about 350 to the wheels at 10 pounds, and anything after that, it was spiked super crazy. And we tried, you know, figuring out what was the issue. We went and checked all the piping, and originally that one blew out, but we fixed it and everything looks to be good. And then we swapped the wastegate spring, checked the diaphragm, the valve, everything was cherry on here, and everything's just led us to believe that this manifold is a poor design as far as wastegate placement goes. So in the next video today, I'm going to be taking that apart, taking it to my friend at Kelly Belt, and he's going to be re-welding a wastegate placement in a better flowing design, just so we can get to the track and full send that sucker, and then the car will be officially up for sale. Secondly, we had Justin up on the dyno with the Sleeper CRV. That car made a little over 400 on low boost. And the fact that it's super sleeper looking, like stock wheels, stock body, stock shocks, and then it makes 400 horsepower, plus it's all-wheel drive as well too. So don't catch that car at the light, guys, out here in the Bay Area. You guys are gonna get rocked. And also a big shout out to Justin from Sinister Racing, because he took care of us by buying us burritos, drinks, and all of that, because we were super hungry. We didn't have a car to leave, and he went and pretty much got the whole crew food, and for letting us borrow his ECU, because Carrie's ECU was giving him crap and the car wouldn't turn on. So he lent us his Sinister Racing chip ECU, and we were able to drive Carrie's car home. And when we got home, we swapped into a different ECU, and now I have that to return back to him at track, hopefully. And much shout out to Justin, man, once again. The last car that went up on a dyno, which was Carrie, and Carrie's car is the most quietest one of the two that went up first, mine and Justin. And all we did with Carrie's car was threw in the Hunter Tune injectors, the decap GM injectors that flows 800 plus. I changed his lines to a -6 with an inline Russell filter, which is like a 10 micron stainless steel screen filter, and swapped over to E85. It's crazy because his car made 240 horsepower a year ago, and he made 240 horsepower on the first pull. And gradually, as we went up, you know, the car exceeded our expectations. We said 280, 300, and Jeremy knocked it out with 299 wheel horsepower on 10 pounds. Carrie is super excited. I'm excited for him. Track is around the corner. I still got my 23s, and hopefully we can try to break into the 12s with that Grandpa Sleeper looking ass car. And also another big shout out to Clint. Clint is the owner of the shop. He was the one that rented us the dyno. He came in clutch in all sorts of ways. Huge shout out to him, because his noise cancellation is at 7 o'clock, but he allowed us to go further into the night to finish up everybody's car. And you know, he had a good time seeing 4 cylinders on his dyno. He's a muscle car guy. Not only he rented us the dyno, but he helped us throughout the whole night, strapping everything down, making sure everything was good, gave us everything we needed, and he sold Carrie a boost controller he just had sitting on his freaking cart. 40 bucks for a Blox boost controller, and Carrie's car was able to go up to 10 pound because his wastegate was only 6. So Clint, if you're watching, thank you for that. We truly appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you again really soon. All in all, guys, we had a blast. And again, I want to give a huge shout out to Jeremy, because this wouldn't have happened if he didn't give us his time. So huge shout out to you and your wife for making that long travel up here and then having to smash all the way back to SoCal to get to your hotel reservation in time. I hope you guys made it safely, and I hope you guys have a blast down there. Don't forget that bracelet either. So and aside from all of this, guys, I just want to say that the website for Built to Drive Big Cartel is back up. We are alive. We got 2 t-shirts, we have 2 stickers, we have a couple merches on the way, and we're going to be releasing those as we get them. So be sure to hit the link in the description below. Check out the website. Let me know what you guys think. Because this is going to be a Monday's video, guys, we are doing the 4BP static giveaway 3. That means 3 lucky winners at the end of this week on Friday, hopefully on time. And 3 of you lucky winners is gonna win the 4 Bangers Production Dual Pull key tag. So in this comment section below, hashtag 4BP static giveaway 3. Damn, Lucy just ran up at that tree. Look at her. She cray cray. Hashtag 4BP static giveaway 3 in the comments below. Good luck to you guys. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.